Hey guys, Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and I'm bringing to you a second video today. Um, First, I'd like to start out by saying if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share this video. That would help me get exposure, that would help us get exposure, because like I said before, when you join the Civic Edge community lifestyle, or sorry, Civic Edge lifestyle community, you become part of us. You become one of us. You are us. We are all together in this, and you'll also get a shout out for comments, subscriptions, stuff like that. So make sure you do all that. Today I'm bringing to you a video which will be down in the description. Will be the link for this specific system. I've already done kind of a review video on it, but I kind of want to do just kind of an update video and teach you some techniques and stuff with this video. But it's about Traffic Zest. And Traffic Zest has been an amazing source of traffic for me. Like I mentioned in my review video, Traffic Zest is like it's kind of like a Facebook ad type deal, or some kind of ad deal, where basically there's a bunch of solo ad providers on here. The minimum for it, though, is $100 to get your first go of traffic, but that $100 can last a while. So the $100 lasts a while. You can get anywhere from like 28 cents a click to like a dollar. I think the max is like $1.46 or something like that per click. I will go through a little bit of things that I've found with this and just kind of, explain that. So without further ado, let's get into the Traffic Zest update that I have for you guys. And like I said, Traffic Zest is really cool and really good. I'm enjoying it. I've gotten a few sales from Traffic Zest. So, let's get to it. So, first, you'll see that I'm on my dashboard. This is my dashboard. This is where I've got my campaigns, different things I was trying. But first, I'd like to go into this one, the second last one. And so here's how I have this one set up, okay? So this is for the ClickWell system for my own personal list. This is my capture page. What I've got is start campaign now, no end date. So that you can see how this is kind of like ads, okay? It's kind of like Facebook ads or something similar to that. Or I guess I've seen some people say it's kind of like Google ads as well. I've never played with those ads very much. I just know, well, I did try Facebook ads once or twice, but yeah, they don't work. But these do work because these are actual solo ad providers. So the allowed traffic, I've got my vertical set as make money online. The traffic provider I've got selected here is V2V. Now, V2V is the creator of Traffic Zest, and also is the creator of something that will be at the end of this video. If you continue watching, I'll be in the end sequence of my video. He's the creator of a report that actually gives you solo ad traffic hacks to better get your stuff converting. You'll get traffic, you'll get traffic that converts, and you'll get front end sales, you'll get upsells, you'll get stuff like that, as long as you go with some of the traffic providers that he talks about in the report. The report is $5, but it is a decent report and it works really nicely. It is an amazing report, and it's one that I cannot stop talking about, because this has led to me benefiting from every single solo ad that I send out. It brings in money on the front end, and it brings in money in upsells, and it also brings in money after my first campaign. So I've had a lot of success with that. So the traffic provider I got set here is V2V. Okay, V2V. He kind of self-promoted himself in that report. He's one of the trusted traffic providers. They put it in the report, but his traffic is really good. I've had some good luck with his traffic. I've also had luck with let me move this because that's kind of in the road. I'll move it more over here because I don't really need that to show up. I think Sean was the other one. I can't remember if it was Sean or if it was might have been Sean or it might have been I don't remember. I really don't remember, guys. Anyway, the ones that he mentions inside the report, though, are himself. Jazzdeep is another one. And, oops, I didn't realize it was at the top of the list already. I do not see. Yeah, I do not see. I don't know why he's not showing up. James Neville Taylor used to be here too. I don't know what happened to him. I guess he withdrew from Traffic Zest for some reason. But he was here. But there's still Jazz Deep and V2V. Again, if you would like to see my review on James's traffic, I like ordering his traffic from his sales page, though, because the sales page for his Soloads, he has two different options, and I don't know if he offers both options here or not when he was here. But yeah, he's another one, James Neville Taylor. So the video for that will also be, I'll put links in the description for those, as well as the video at the end. Like I said, there's James's Soloads and the report that I'm going to put the links in, and also the link for Traffic Zest will be also in the description. But anyway, so what I do is I've set V2V for this one because I want to try his traffic next for this offer. I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to show you why I haven't done it yet, and I'm going to explain my technique. So I've left device types open, I've left device operating systems open, and I've left traffic tags open. I've got it set to $1. Unfortunately, if you want the really, really, really good stuff, you need to pay $1. This is for hot buyers traffic. These guys are like sizzling hot. Unfortunately, that's what it costs in this industry if you want sizzling hot. I do recommend the sizzling hot because they're sizzling. I know I've been saying that a lot, but it's no different on Traffic Zest than it is going to each of these Soload vendors privately. The more expensive traffic is the better way to go. They are ready to go and they're more credible, if I could put it that way. I have gone many traffic sources in the past. Yes, you will get sales from anyone that has, like, I've gotten sales from Sean's traffic on here as well. But the problem with that is the 30-cent traffic that Sean offers, they're not all going to buy. And that's kind of, you want to make the money back on Soloads. You don't want to be getting traffic that may convert on the front end and may not. Okay. And that's the thing. Like, I've had sales. Now, I had one comment on my other review from a viewer. They said something about the traffic is bogus, and I said no, it's not, because it really depends on your campaign. And I started trying to help him through it and saying, or him or her through it, and tried to explain, this is what you need to look at. Is your capture page good? And they said, yeah, that's all good. And I'm like, well, then maybe you're not emailing enough times. Maybe, I don't know. There was many different things that they could have done. That affected their traffic. And I've had sales from Traffic Zest, so I don't understand. Outside of the things I suggested, what really, I can't really explain what they did or didn't do with their campaign. So I just know from my experience that this does work. To have the success that I have, I learned some things from that report that I was talking about and stuff like that. Traffic Zest is really amazing, though, and I did have sales from it. So it does work. But anyway, I've gone V2V selected and all that. And yes, like I said, the more expensive traffic is better. So yeah, for $1, I'm offering $1 to V2V to get his traffic. Jazz Deep is no different. He's $1.20, I believe, per for his traffic. So yeah, Jazz Deep is the same. Um, so, but I'm going to show you my technique and show you what I'm doing. So this is pretty cool. I'm going to have to blur my screen, but I'm going to show you quick what I do. Actually, I wonder if I do this. No, no, that's not going to work. Okay, I was just going to see if that could blur what you're going to see, but I'll just have to do it in YouTube Studio before the video gets posted, which is fine. But anyway, you go to affiliate program, and we're going to automatically go to withdraw commissions. Now, here's what's really cool about Traffic Zest, and I just found this out. Yes, I've been making sales. I've actually been getting referrals. I've been getting sales. It's been amazing. Um, but the one thing I can say is with the sales I've made, you can do one of two things. You can either transfer it to your traffic balance, which means the more sales you make on Traffic Zest, you can take those sales and put them into your balance to get more traffic, which I'm going to do. I know a lot of people will want to just transfer it right away, but I find that if you have a traffic source that you're making money on, you if you put the money back in, it's a smarter way to go because it's more cost effective and you don't have to worry about that traffic source, right? If you're getting money and you're putting it into the traffic balance, you don't have to worry about having to withdraw the money to, like, say, Wise, and then go back and go and buy the traffic source again, right? This allows you to actually just put the money right back in to Traffic Zest. And when you've got it so that you're making money on Traffic Zest, and let's say, I don't know, you get to a point where you're making um, way more than what you get or what you can get to your traffic balance or whatever. I don't know. I'm kind of losing my train of thought here, but what I'm trying to say is, like, if you get to a point where you're making $200, $300, $400, $500, and you only want to put $100 of that into your traffic to get more traffic, then you can start transferring to Wise. Other than that, I would just strictly, I mean, even $500, I mean, I would honestly reinvest that back into this because $500, if you do $1 a click, that's 500 clicks, right? So, I mean, more cost effective, right? It's actually, I know $500 is a lot, and it would be nice just to withdraw that and half of that, maybe put half back in and the other half to your account. But again, with a traffic source, like I say, it's a little bit smarter this way. So that's what I've been doing, is just transferring the money back in, and this allows you to get more traffic. And this is how the business starts building, guys. This is how you start getting momentum. You start building up that momentum and you start swinging, right? Because this, going back into your traffic balance, it really gets you going. It really gets everything moving. And then you're getting more traffic. And then when people are buying Traffic Zest some more, then you go and reinvest again. Traffic comes back. You're making sales off the front end. You know what I'm saying? It just keeps rolling, right? And that's kind of the techniques I've been using. A lot of my traffic sources are now free because I'm literally getting sales to people getting that, and then I'm turning around and reinvesting it back into more traffic. And then as more traffic builds up, I'm getting more sales there, and then it just keeps doing a full turn, right? And that's how affiliate marketing is. You've got to do things methodically. As I've said many times in the past in my videos, you have to do everything methodically. You've got to do everything in a business like manner. You've got to reinvest. You've got to, don't reinvest if you're only going to reinvest like $2 or something like that. You want to reinvest a healthy amount that's going to help you grow. You don't want to try and do something like, that's why I say, like, starting a business is never free. I mean, a lot of people think, oh, well, I can start this business for free. Not a chance. It does cost money to start a business, unfortunately, and that's just the way it is. Your first buy on Traffic Zest is a minimum of, or well, I think every buy is $100, but it's $100 minimum. But the traffic is really, really decent. I've had sales from it, so I can't complain. The people that are on here are credible. Um, I did, like I said, I had sales from Sean, but I know that V2V and Jazz Deep are two of the main solo ad providers that that V2V talks about. I mean, I know he's self promoting himself, but like I said at the start, his traffic is really good too. It's $1, but it's $1 worth of clicks that will probably buy on the front end. So I mean, it's worth it, right? As long as you have a good capture page, and this is another thing I tell people all the time, as long as you have a good capture page, you have a good email sequence, you have all that stuff set up, and it's done correctly, you should have no problems with this. You should have no problems with Traffic Zest, you should have no problems with Soloads, as long as you have all that stuff in place. And that's why that report that I have down in the description and will be at the end of the video in suggested videos, that's why I'm putting that report there, because that will also show you how to make money from your solo ad campaigns. It'll show you how you can start getting this pendulum swinging. Okay, and you'll start getting people to your list that will buy from the front end, they'll get upsells, they'll buy later on. Not everyone's going to buy right away. You have to get over that mind block, because unfortunately, that's just the way it is. Not everyone's going to buy right away. You have to work on them. But I've got momentum going already in my business. For someone starting out, you'll have to work on it. Unfortunately, that's just the way it is in all business. It doesn't matter if it's online, offline. You have to work at it. You got to be consistent and stuff like that. So I'm just going to quickly go back to traffic campaigns. So if this video has helped you guys at all, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I will. I'm also putting my emails now, or my email down in the description as well. If you'd like to reach out, like privately, and ask questions or anything like that. If you don't mind, though, I will share comments and stuff in emails online, and answer you publicly if that's fine. I'll always ask, though, before I do that, because I don't want to really share something with someone online, or I don't want to share an email from someone online that they don't feel comfortable. Like, if they came to me privately and asked a question, well then, confidentiality, right? And I will ask if they don't mind. So anyway, like, subscribe, share the video. That'll help me out and help the community out. And when you do that, you are part of the community as well. And I appreciate you guys. And I thank you guys for the support that I've seen. It's been overwhelming lately. The business has been really good, and the support I've had on my YouTube and stuff like that, it's just wow. So right now, those videos should be showing up on the screen. You guys have a great day, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow with our case study that we're doing. I'll be posting that in the morning. Cheers.